Hello and Namaste everyone. I am Avinash Kumar. Welcome back to AsanaX. In this video, we will learn about Matsyasana step by step. Before we start Matsyasana, avoid this pose if you have significant neck or cervical spine problems, recent spinal or shoulder injury, severe lower back pain, uncontrolled high blood pressure, dizziness or difficulty maintaining balance. Step 1. Sit and fold your legs like Padmasana and lie down on your mat. Step 2. Now interlock your toes with fingers as demonstrated. Step 3. Inhale and by using your elbows and forearms for support, lift your chest and upper back. Step 4. Allow the crown or top of your head to touch the mat gently. Remember, head should not carry your body weight. Step 5. Breathe slowly and normally. Hold the pose for 15 to 30 seconds according to your comfort. Step 6. To release the pose, first lift your head by pressing through your forearms and elbows. Then lower your upper back and head gently. Relax and come back to sitting position. Avoid these common mistakes: putting excessive weight on the head, forcing the neck backward, collapsing the chest, pulling aggressively on the interlocked hands, holding the breath, rushing into or out of the pose. Benefits: regular practice of Matsyasana may improve flexibility of the spine and upper back, open and stretch the chest, shoulders and neck, strengthen the muscles of the back, stretch the abdominal and hip flexor region, support better posture and breathing mechanics, promote relaxation and body awareness. So that's how you practice Matsyasana correctly. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe and share it to your friends. In next video, we will learn about Sarvangasana. If you want to learn Surya Namaskar, then please visit here. Okay, bye bye. Thank you.